to red. Even though he told the guys he got her into bed, but when you see him at the table, he turns out to be rather stable. And when the white ball hits the red cup, he's the baddest fucker in the frat club. Then he does the pong dance.
Ha 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 ha!